So guys, last episode we did some wood chopping at Oscar's grandparents' house. Today it's time to fix this old car. This car is from 1958 if I'm not wrong. So we had a lot of work to do and now we're going to lift it up. We're going to fix it and we're going to have an awesome workout meanwhile.
Ich hab kein Geld für Ticket. Hier ist ein laatste ding. Hier ist een bord.
Ga straks je speech opnieuw.
Oké, want ik heb een vlek 3, 2, 1. Ja! Dat is zwaar aan mij dan.
So guys, as you can see, we just finished the workout. Look what we have done. We deadlifted the whole car. This is a tough thing, guys. Don't try this at home. We'll keep you updated on the progression of George. See you later. Click here to subscribe. Ah, bro. Dat is die video. Haast, daar is die videorollen. Die videorollen, snap je? Dat is die eerlijke. Ja. Guys, check this out, man. Look at him. Look what he's doing, man. So, Oscar, are you opposed to interview about progression? What do you think about our work?
My condolences.
condolences.
Yes.
Could you tell us something more about George?
George. Well, George is, as you can see, there's not much left of him. Quite a few holes, but it's okay.
What is your initial inspiration? It's a microphone. What's your initial inspiration
For what?
for the name George?
Well, it's from Peugeot. You know, Peugeot, it ends with the G-E-O.
Yeah?
And then George also starts with the G-E-O.
Oh, that's an...
You see, it's pretty clever, right?
it's pretty clever. I
Yeah.
think there's a pun intended,
Yeah.
if I'm not wrong.
A little bit.
So, how can we find more about you if other people want to keep on touch with you about the progression? Do you have a
Follow my-
Facebook page or
No,
Instagram?
only my own blog.
Own blog. What is
Link in the description, you'll
in the
see.
description below?
Yeah.
Alright. And do you have an email or something? A weekly
Yeah, it's
email?
also on the blog.
On the blog. Alright.
Yes.
We'll keep in check with that.
Okay. How long is it? Ja, you.
Shit. Oh. Maar ik wil sowieso nu op.
Oh.
En nu wel ondergrond in.
Ja, ik ga dat maken, hè.